In today's tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you in super easy steps how to create these lacy long Saint Valentine's Day beaded earrings. I'm showing them in easy steps, so I'm sure that even if you are a beginner, you will be able to make them by yourself. Consider checking the membership option that comes with video courses and PDF beading patterns for the price of a latte. Now let's get started. Okay guys, so what I'm using here for these earrings are two colors of 11 seed beads, golden and red, earring findings, leverbacks in golden color. This is Nylbond Nylon Thread. You could use Fireline or other thread, maybe thick nylon thread that keeps the shape well. This is size 10 beading needle, use similar size of needle and scissors. And now I'm going to take about an arm span of thread on my needle and I will start. Okay guys, and I'm starting my work by picking up 3 golden beads, my earring finding, and 8 golden beads. This is my first step. What I'm going to do next is slide all of those down. I will stick my needle in my mat, and here what I want to do is to make a knot. I'm making it by making here a loop, going twice through the loop I've made and pulling. And this is a really secure surgeon's knot or half hitch knot. Then I will repeat the same knot one more time. And I will pull again, but when you pull, make sure you are between those 2 beads where you started your knot from, not to catch any beads inside the knot. Okay. In my next step, I'm going into the following golden after the knot. Okay, that's the first step. Then take 7 red beads, guys. 7. And go back in circle through these golden where you are exiting out of. Okay, and pull. Okay. Then I will go into the next golden. This time I'm taking 4 red beads and I'm going backwards through 3 red beads and through the golden in the center, back in circle, through the same golden where I'm exiting out of. Okay. Then go in the next golden. Eight red beads. Go through 3 red and through these golden. And into the next golden. Then I'm taking 4 red again. I go through 3 from the previous loop and through the central golden one, as always. And then I have the next golden. And I add 4 beads again. And as always, I go through these 3 and through the golden in the center. Okay, I have this row ready. Now I want to reposition my thread and start the next row. How am I going to do this? I'm going backwards like that. Through all of those golden beads. Then I want to go in these 3 red beads that are like in a column. Okay. Then I go through this red one here, the first red. And here I'm going to repeat the same process. I'm starting with 7 beads, 7 golden beads. I go back in circle through this thread, and by the way, just to save time, I will also go through the next thread in the inner circle of my work. I take 4 goldens and I go back through these 3 goldens through the red in the center and the following. The next sequence that I take are 8 golden beads, and again I always go through 3 and through the central and through the following, just to save time. Again 4, go through 3 and through these 2 reds. Okay. And 4 beads again. Again, my goal is to reposition my thread to start the next element, which will be absolutely the same, just in red color, because I will be alternating the colors. Okay, go through this column of 3 beads like that, and then through the next golden to start the following element. And I'm making these elements always starting with 7. The next step is 4, then 8, and again 4 and 4. So 7, 4, 8, 4, 4. I start with 7, go backwards as always, 4, go backwards through the 3 and the central 2 goldens. Here it comes the step with 8. The step with 4, and again the step with 4 beads. Okay, then as always I will go here through some beads, and I'm exiting out of this column of 3 reds, and I go here in this red one. Okay, and I take again 7 golden beads, I go backwards through this and the following, 4, 8, 4, 4, And now I will create only one element. You could make the earring, of course, longer if you want. Seven, 4, okay friends, here I need 8 beads. Going backwards through these 3, through the golden and through the following as always. Then 4 beads. And 4 again. And by the way, you can reinforce each and every step if you feel like it and you want everything to look stiffer. Now, my friends, if you want, continue and make longer earrings, but I will finish up to here. How am I going to do this? I'm going through some beads. I'm making here a loop and I'm going twice through the loop I've made. I'm pulling and I go in this direction. And then I cut this thread. Now, I can put my needle here on this end, zigzag through the beads, make a knot and cut it as well to secure everything. Okay guys, and now my gorgeous lacy Saint Valentine's Day seed beads earrings are ready. So if you like them and you want to see more and more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe with the bell, like, share and comment to see more of my free content. And if you want additional video courses and PDF beading patterns for the price of a latte, you can check the membership that comes with all of those perks. Now, see you in the next video.